1958 to 1960, Blues Suite Revelations. Alvin's satchel hung heavy on his shoulder. His shoes rapped a beat on the sidewalk while taxicabs honked their horns. He was glad to be in New York City, where he came to learn ballet from Carol Shook and modern dance techniques from Martha Graham, two of the best teachers in the world. Alvin took dance classes all over town, and he met dancers who showed him moves he had never seen before. So many dancers were Black. Like Alvin, their dreams soared higher than New York's tallest skyscrapers. Alvin gathered some of the dancers he had seen in classes around the city. He chose the men and women who had just the right moves to dance his choreography. Alvin told them he wanted to start a modern dance company that would dance to blues and gospel music, the heritage of African American people. 9 dancers believed in Alvin's idea. This was the beginning of the Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater. On March 30th, 1958, on an old wooden stage at the 92nd Street Y, Alvin and his friends premiered with Blues Suite, dances set in a honky-tonk dance hall. Stage lights cast moody shadows against the glimmer of each dancer's skin. The women flaunted red-hot dresses with shoes and stockings to match. The men wore black hats slouched low to their heads. They danced to the swanky swank of a jazz rhapsody. Alvin's choreography depicted the blues, that weepy sadness all folks feel now and then. Blues Suite stirred every soul in the room. Alvin was on his way to making it big. Word spread quickly about him and his dancers. Newspapers hailed Alvin. Radio stations announced his debut. An even bigger thrill came when the 92nd Street Y asked Alvin to perform again. He knew they hardly ever invited dance companies to come back. Alvin was eager to show off his next work. On January 31st, 1960, gospel harmonies filled the concert hall at the 92nd Street Y. Rock, 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 rock of my soul, oh rock of my soul. Alvin clapped in time to the music, the same way he did when he was a boy. But now, Alvin rejoiced on stage to Revelations, a suite of dances he created to celebrate the traditions of True Vine Baptist Church in Navasota, Texas. The audience swayed in their seats as Alvin and his company gloried in their dance. High-stepping ladies appeared on stage sweeping their skirts. They danced with grace and haughty attitudes. Alvin and other men jumped lively to the rhythm, strutting and dipping in sassy reverie. Revelations honor the heart and dignity of Black people while showing that hope and joy are for everyone. With his sleek moves, Alvin shared his experiences and his dreams in a way no dancer had ever done. When Revelations ended, the audience went wild with applause. They stomped and shouted more. They yelled more. Taking a bow, Alvin let out a breath. He raised his eyes towards heaven, satisfied and proud. Now please complete the final section on your Google Slides to outline 4 details that happened in this section of Alvin Ailey's life.